Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create your NAD ID. We'll start by understanding what a NAD ID is and why it's important for your academic journey. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of registering on the DigiLocker platform. You'll also learn which documents you might need to have ready for verification, ensuring a smooth setup. Finally, we'll cover how to access and manage your academic records digitally, making your life much easier. To begin, you'll need to register on DigiLocker. You can easily do this by downloading the official DigiLocker app on your smartphone or by visiting their website. Once there, you'll enter your mobile number, which will be verified with a one-time password. Next, create a unique username and a secure 6-digit PIN for your account. For complete access and to link your academic records, it's essential to link your Aadhaar number during this registration process. Once your DigiLocker account is set up, the next step is to link your National Academic Depository, or NAD, details. Navigate to the NAD section within the DigiLocker platform. Here, you will search for your specific educational institution from the provided list. After locating your institution, you'll need to enter your enrollment or admission number. Carefully verify all your details to successfully link your academic records, ensuring they are accurately reflected in your digital locker. With your NAD ID created and linked, you can now easily access your academic documents. You'll be able to view all your academic awards, mark sheets, and certificates securely within DigiLocker. This platform also allows you to share these verified documents digitally with various institutions, saving you time and effort. Regularly check to ensure all your records are current and accurate. Enjoy the convenience and security of having your important academic documents stored digitally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.